Namaste. Generally, if you require a lights for parking, generally we use the 9 watt bulb. If you go to the shop, it may cost you 100 rupees. The Gloled is giving a 30 rupees, including GST, for you. 15 days is the only offer. Suppose we have some corridors and some balconies. If we have a 10 minutes or 15 minutes, so power is a problem, or 2 hours, up to 2 hours problem, we are waiting or we are using a candle. Now the Gloled is giving a best offer for you. It is only 190 rupees. If you are taking in a market, it may be 300 to 400 rupees. It's a 9 watt bulb, it gives you 2 hours backup. So this is the second offer we are giving. The next third offer, generally if you go to the market, we have a tube lights. Tube light may cost you 150 to 200 rupees. Gloled giving a best offer for you. The cost of this 20 watt tube light is only 106 rupees. This is the best offer and valid only 15 days. This is also used for the parking areas, corridors, houses, and also in commercial spaces. So this is the best offer we are giving for you only. Next, we have a AC/DC tube light. So we are also using this one. Suppose in the house, when suddenly power goes, so we need to have a backup tube light. So how we get? So when our power is there, so it will on automatically. When our power goes, it will off automatically. Now you can see when power goes, it will on automatically. So on automatically. It gives the backup up to 2 hours. So it avoids the power interruptions and also avoids the accidents. So next one, if you have an office and you are looking for the 2x2, if you go to the market, it may cost almost 1500 to 2000 rupees. The Gloled offering, including GST, is only 1000 rupees. The offer is valid only 15 days. The light is also used more illumination. All this is giving a Gloled for the clearance of our stock. So come to the Gloled, get first offer. The validity is 15 days, but when the stock goes, the offer will not be there. So use this offer and save your money up to 50% of lighting budget. Thank you.